Samantala, mula sa simpleng dahon ng kamoting kahoy, abay, malaki pala ang potensyal na maging panlaban sa breast cancer. Yan ang natuklasan ng 3 estudyante mula sa isang science high school sa Quezon City. Ang dapat sanay kanilang requirement para sa research, nakarating din sa international science community. Si Denise Osorio sa report.
3 mag-aaral mula sa Quezon City Science High School ang gumulat sa international science community matapos nang matuklasan na may potensyal laban sa breast cancer ang simpleng dahon ng kamuting kahoy. Sina Rain Tica, Gabriel Shinyo at Bryce Cruz ay pare-parehong incoming grade 11 ngayong taon. Pero nagsimula silang mag-research noong grade 9 pa lang sila. Para sa kanila, hindi lang ito school requirement.
We've had family members and friends with breast cancer. And we really wanted to help them out, especially since cancer treatments, they're known to be, they're not always safe, and they have negative effects on the body. And we saw a huge potential in cassava leaves, and we knew that in the future it can somehow be used for making it a safer and more accessible treatment.
We had to switch to breast cancer as it was also a parang prominent type of cancer, and we wanted to help those who were affected.
Gamit ang kombinasyon ng lab-based experiments at computer simulations, natuklasan nilang may anti-cancer compounds ang cassava leaves o dahon ng kamuting kahoy.
We saw that cassava leaves had not just anti-cancer properties, pero marami rin pong ibang like medicinal properties like parang anti-inflammatory, ganun. So, kaya namin napag-isipan na since cassava leaves, cassava on its own is already native to tropical countries like the Philippines po.
Mula literature review hanggang sa actual lab work, halos 2 taon nilang pinag-aralan ang buong proseso. At dahil wala silang sariling laboratoryong akma para sa kanilang eksperimento, kinailangan din nilang makipag-ugnayan sa mga expert.
Really just not a one-man journey. And even in professional workplaces, these kinds of projects, they're meant to be done as a team. And the good thing about science is you're never isolated, and not one discovery is made without taking inspiration from someone else.
Nakarating ang grupo sa international stage kung saang iprinisenta nila ang kanilang research sa American Association for Cancer Research Forum sa Chicago. At ngayong June, inimbitahan rin sila bilang finalist sa Genius Olympiad sa New York. Para sa kanilang research advisor na si Ms. Genevieve Vasquez, isang malaking karangalan ito.
Challenging din sa amin yung salary namin. Pero yung mga ganitong achievements talaga ng mga students na hindi mapapantayan ng kahit magkano, di ba? Kahit anong pera. And syempre nakaka-inspire din dahil kumbaga parang you're part also and you're somehow accountable then to with the achievements of these students. Not just for the compliance but the significance itself of the study is really important.
Kahit limitado ang resources at sariling gastos pa ng kanilang mga magulang, hindi ito naging hadlang sa grupo. Alang-alang sa pagtulong sa kapwa at pagnanais na magkaroon ng pagbabago. Mula sa isang school requirement, umaasa silang maging bahagi ito ng malaking laban kontra breast cancer. Denise Osorio para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.